In Pueblo, many seniors face tough choices between paying for food, medicine, or other essentials. However, InnovAge PACE is stepping in with meals, nutrition support, and a full safety net of care to help older adults stay healthy and independent. Joining us now is Dr. Rona Knudsen, Center Medical Director at InnovAge Colorado PACE in Pueblo. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming back on.
Thank you for having me.
Okay,
this is wonderful.
Let's kind of start with maybe some of our viewers who don't know much about InnovAge PACE. What do you guys do for seniors out in Pueblo?
So InnovAge is a special program that provides wraparound care to meet the complete needs of seniors that are 55 and older, live in Pueblo, and have some additional needs and are at risk of going into a nursing home. We try to keep people safe in their home and living independent.
And we also just mentioned it. Food insecurity is a real challenge here. How does InnovAge PACE make sure that participants are healthy and they're getting all the nutrition that they actually need without having to sacrifice anything?
One of the key components is we have a day center. And at the day center, we serve breakfast, lunch, and snacks. The meals at the day center are set by a geriatrician, dietitian who can ensure that they're healthy and they're nutritious. They're served at tables in a social setting so that they're enjoyable.
Why is nutrition such a key part in managing chronic health like diabetes and heart disease?
Nutrition is so important for our health to make sure that we are able to be strong, that we have good muscles, and that we enjoy our lives. We enjoy eating.
And we just recently visited the center to hear a little bit more, so why don't we just take a look?
Some of them are on limited incomes, so they don't always have food at the end of the month. So this way we make sure that they get at least 2 meals and a snack, which means a lot to them and to us. So we know that they get the nutrition that they need.
That's a big help to me and my family. My daughter don't have to rush as she's getting ready for work to try to figure out how she's gonna get some nutrition into her mom and dad before they leaves home. Before she leaves home, she knows that as soon as InnovAge picks us up, they're gonna drop us off here, and everything is being taken care of.
It benefits participants because I can go to my dietitian, I can go to speech therapy if there's swallowing issues, I can go to the doctors, I can go to just therapy in general, dental, I can go anywhere I need to go to ask questions.
So when I come here, I could sit and talk to all of my friends that I just met, or friends I've been knowing for quite a few years. And that keeps me joyful and happy.
Wow, that was really a powerful message to hear. This is really more than just providing a meal here with InnovAge PACE.
It really is. So InnovAge works as a team, and so we have speech therapists that can help if somebody has swallowing issues or if they need some exercises so that they can swallow better, or if textures need to be done, if there's dental problems, a dentist can evaluate. We have occupational therapists that can determine if specialized utensils are needed. It's very much a team approach.
So beyond just these meals then, Dr. Rona, how does kind of spending time together really improve your seniors or these seniors?
It's a focus on our well-being. And so for our well-being, we want to be with people who care about us, people who know about us. And so to be able to spend time sharing meals and being together at the PACE Center is really valuable.
I think our viewers kind of want to know, what does this mean to you to be part of such a kind model?
It's important to me because I get to practice medical care in the best way possible, because our health is so important in a broad well-being, not just medication, but it really does involve many facets.
Well, Dr. Rona, thank you so much for being here with us today again and sharing a little bit more about InnovAge PACE.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
The InnovAge team is happy to help you evaluate your options, see if you're eligible for the program by reaching out to InnovAge's center staff in Pueblo to learn more. As always, they are very happy to give you and your loved ones a tour. You can also visit InnovAge.com for more information. Special thank you to the InnovAge PACE team for bringing us this segment.